Hi guys, I wanted to show you a feature that's some people have been complaining about, but not knowing what the actual cause of the issue was. So I read on a forum where somebody was wondering why there was like a loud screech, a loud noise when they're turning their steering wheel, and it's because of this feature right here. It's called let's see if you can see it. It's the H right there. So basically, when you press down on if you're in drive, which I am now, if you press down on the brake, it will put you on hold, and it will be permanent unless you give it some gas or or press the brake again. So if I were to press the brake again, it will go away. But if I press the brake, it will come back. If I press the accelerator, it will also go away. So this is to replace the hill hold function that was on the pre-autopilot systems. So on a pre-autopilot system, all you get is a hill hold for 1 second. So when you're on a hill and you don't want to roll back and you press and you're holding the brake there, it's not permanent. It is temporary. Once you let go of the brake, it will hold the brakes for another second before it releases it. So you would start rolling back if you don't press the accelerator in a second after you release the brake. So this feature, if you, I've noticed because I drop off my kids at school, and what I can do is I'll roll down the windows so that you can hear what kind of noise it is when you have hill hold on or the hold feature on and you turn your steering wheel. That's the sound of your brakes on your rotors. So let's do that again when I disable hill hold. So hill hold is no longer on. As you can see, the H went away. I'm going to turn the steering wheel again. So if you hear that noise, it's because you have your hill hold on or your hold feature on in the autopilot enabled cars. Basically all the new cars, they come with this feature. So again, let's demonstrate it one more time. I press the brake, it comes on. If I were to turn the steering wheel, it's not a it's not an issue. Okay, so just next time when you're stopped, either put the parking brake on, right? When you put your car in park and you turn your steering wheel, it doesn't happen because the parking brakes are a set of brakes that are in the rear wheels, and they're separate brakes than your regular brakes. The hill hold or the hold function, if you go into drive, right now I press the brake and then I put it into drive and it's automatically goes into hold. And if I turn the steering wheel, there goes that squeaking feature that people are well, at least one person complained about it and they didn't know what the hell the noise was. But anyway, this is getting a little bit too long on one little topic, and I love this feature. I use it all the time, and it that's the reason why you hear that screeching noise coming. It's from your brakes because the whole feature applies regular brakes to both the front and the rear. And when you have your brakes applied and you turn your steering wheel, it makes that screeching noise or the creaking noise, and it's very loud from the outside. So it's actually kind of embarrassing. I did it twice already, dropping off my kids, and yeah, it's not a nice sound. So Peace. Until next time, like and subscribe.